Hey y'all, so I wanted to come on and do an unboxing for my first sewing machine. This is the Janome New Home in the color Pink Sorbet. And I will turn the box around, but it pretty much shows the basic stitches that you can do on this machine. So on the side, it pretty much shows the 15 built-in stitches. And again, I'll turn this box around so that you're able to see it, but the center stitch, left stitch, and triple stitch are just to name a few. And I was curious to see how heavy this was. It felt a lot heavier in the box, but it was only around 12 pounds or so. This is some basic instructions. It tells about the limited warranty. It does come with a 25-year limited warranty. Okay, opening this up, it does look exactly like the box. The color, definitely very vibrant. This is the foot pedal and also the power cord. So far, this looks like a very beginner-friendly machine. It has a handle at the top, which of course is easy for carrying around. It has the diagrams at the top, which shows you which way to thread it, and I'll turn again to see to show you guys the actual diagrams. So if you don't know how to thread it, it pretty much shows you how to do it. And here on the side we have the hand wheel. Again, this is my first sewing machine, so I did learn that you pull that knob out to stop it when you're getting ready to thread your bobbin. But I was pushing the knob in, of course. We're trying to. Those are two little feet at the bottom, just for security. Alright y'all, so I finally turned my camera the correct way. But this way you can actually see the different knobs, well, both knobs, the adjustable stitch length and the easy stitch selection. And at the bottom here we have the presser foot. The lever is right underneath on the side here. And so that lifts that. This does come with 4 presser feet. So you have the zigzag foot, the buttonhole foot, the zipper foot, and the blind hem foot. And all of that is in the case at the bottom. Here, once again, at the top is where your thread goes. Okay, coming back down to this compartment here at the bottom. Alright guys, so these are 3 bobbins, and there are 4, but the other one is inside the actual case. It comes with a cover for the top, and these are the presser feet. A seam ripper, and you pull it apart to actually see the seam ripper. And this is the buttonhole foot. And we have needles in this package. So there's another compartment which houses the bobbin. And we're just going to remove the bobbin case, and the bobbin is right in there. If I can grab a hold of it, there it is. And I also wanted to come back and show you guys the instructions are at the bottom, so if you don't know how to load a bobbin, that's down there for you as well. And once again, if you need help, there are tutorials that you guys can view. The instructions are on the side of the box. And that's it for this unboxing, guys. Until the next video, happy sewing.